Hey there, future millionaires. Ever wondered what's really going on in the minds of the super wealthy? Well, you're about to find out. We have spent years studying the strategies of the world's most successful individuals. Today we're cracking the code on why some people seem to have a gift for building massive wealth. We'll dive into 5 key habits that set the ultra-rich apart. And trust me, it's not what most people think. These are actionable insights that could transform your financial future. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just looking to boost your bank account, stick around. Hit that like button, and let's uncover the secrets of the wealthy together. Before we dive deep, here's a quick overview of the 5 wealth-building habits we'll be discussing. Number 1, living below their means. Number 2, continuous learning and skill development. Number 3, creating multiple income streams. Number 4, strategic networking. And finally, number 5, long-term thinking and planning. Now let's break these down one by one. First up, living below their means. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's a cornerstone of wealth building. Take Warren Buffett, for example. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. It's not about being cheap, it's about prioritizing. The wealthy understand that true wealth isn't about showing off, it's about building a strong financial foundation. Here are some practical tips. Try the 30-day rule. When you want to make a big purchase, wait 30 days. If you still want it after a month, go for it. You'll be surprised how often the urge passes. Create and stick to a budget, no matter your income level. Find joy in experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. Remember Warren Buffett's wisdom. If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Next up, continuous learning and skill development. The wealthy know that knowledge is power, and money. Elon Musk is a perfect example. He taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks and talking to experts. Now he's revolutionizing space travel with SpaceX. The ultra-rich invest heavily in themselves. They read voraciously, attend seminars, and seek out mentors. Want to adopt this habit? Set aside time each day for learning. It could be reading a finance or business book, taking an online course in finance, or listening to educational podcasts during your commute. Your future self will thank you. Remember, every dollar invested in your knowledge and skills can pay dividends for years to come. Habit number 3, creating multiple income streams. The wealthy don't rely on just one source of income. Let's look at Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He advocates for having multiple income streams: earned income from a job, passive income from investments, and portfolio income from assets like stocks and bonds. Start small. If you have a full-time job, consider freelancing in your spare time or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Create a product or course that generates passive income. The goal is to have money coming in even when you're not actively working. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time. Start with one additional stream and gradually expand. Our 4th habit is strategic networking. As the saying goes, your net worth is often a reflection of your network, holds a lot of truth. The ultra-wealthy understand the power of connections. Take Richard Branson. His ability to connect with people has been crucial to his success across various industries. He's famous for saying, "Succeeding in business is all about making connections." Why networking matters? Because it provides access to opportunities and information, offers different perspectives and ideas, and can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations. To build your network, start attending industry events, join professional associations, or even start a mastermind group. Engage genuinely. Focus on building relationships, not just exchanging business cards, and make sure you follow up consistently with your contacts. Remember, networking is about giving value, not just taking it. Finally, habit 5, long-term thinking and planning. The wealthy don't just think about next week or next year, they think decades ahead. They plan for multiple generations, not just their own lifetime. Jeff Bezos is a master of long-term thinking. When he started Amazon, he was willing to forgo profits for years to build market share. Now, Amazon dominates e-commerce globally. Start by setting long-term financial goals. Where do you want to be in 10, 20, or 30 years? Then work backwards to create a plan. When making financial decisions, always ask, how will this affect my long-term goals? Start investing early, even if it's just small amounts, to take advantage of compound interest. So there you have it, the 5 key habits of the ultra-wealthy: living below their means, continuous learning, multiple income streams, strategic networking, and long-term thinking. These 5 habits are the cornerstones of ultra-wealthy individuals' financial success. The good news is, these aren't exclusive to the wealthy. Anyone can adopt these habits and start building their own path to financial prosperity. Remember, becoming ultra-wealthy isn't just about making money. It's about developing a wealthy mindset and habits. Start small, be consistent, and over time these habits will compound just like your investments. Which of these habits resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth building tips. Until next time, keep building those habits and watch your wealth grow.